Today we're going to be looking at a feature that can possibly increase the readability of your code, and this is a PyCharm feature. So first of all, I want to demonstrate to you what it is and how we can activate it. And to do this, we're going to create a simple function that says test, and it's going to return an integer. And you might have noticed a very subtle detail here, and that is that the arrow actually consolidated into a single symbol, and this is exactly what ligatures are. And for now, we're going to go ahead and create two variables, which is going to be 1 and 2, and A and B, so we can use those later. But before continuing with this example, I want to go ahead and show you how you can activate ligatures in case you are curious. So to do that, go ahead and open up the preferences in PyCharm. And once you are here, you want to go ahead and type in font. So you can find the font section, which is under the editor. And inside here, you'll notice that we'll have this checkbox over here that says enable ligatures. And you can tap on that if you want to enable it. I just untapped it, so I need to retap it to make sure I enabled it. And essentially what it does is converts all of the symbols that we're used to using into single symbols, as you can see down here. And if we deactivate that, they're just going to look as they did earlier. So you can look at this as kind of a futuristic way of coding, that once you enable this, you get new symbols to play around with, and it can enhance the readability of your code. So let's go ahead and activate it and click on OK, because now I can demonstrate to you how to actually use them. And using it doesn't take any extra setup. All you have to do is code as you usually would. So if you say if A is more than or equal to B, pass. So as you can see, just by using the more than or equal to symbol, we've converted it via ligatures. And this works for anything. So if we did elif A is equal to B, we're going to pass, and elif A is less than or equal to B, we're still going to pass. So as you can see, in these three cases, we managed to use ligatures, which made this a bit shorter and a bit more readable in its own sense. And again, this works for essentially any symbol or any combination of symbols that you usually would code with. So in case you're coding with JavaScript, for example, you can use the triple equal comparison operator right here, and it's going to create this funky symbol over here. And I mean, you can even use bitwise operators and it makes them a bit smaller, or you can create this coding symbol for some reason and it puts it together. So there's actually a lot you can do here with ligatures. And again, this can enhance the readability of your code, but I would use it more as a fun feature if you are coding with PyCharm. But anyways, guys, I'm very curious to hear what you think about this feature. Do leave a comment about it in the comment section down below. And with that being said, as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.